Find the equation of the line with slope m equals -3/2 that passes through the point 8, 5. Put the final answer in slope-intercept form y equals mx plus b. If we're given a slope and a general point, we often will use another form of the equation of the line called the point-slope form to actually get to the slope-intercept form. So this other form called the point-slope form of the equation of a line so to use that, if we are given slope m and general point, usually denoted x1, y1, we can write y minus y1 is equal to m by x minus x1. And we call that the point-slope form. So I'm going to use the point-slope form in this example. So using the point-slope form, I could write y minus 5 is equal to -3/2 of x minus 8. That is the point-slope form of the equation of the line. The problem asks us for the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Alright, so to get there, it's not too difficult. Let's apply the distributive property. Y minus 5 is equal to -3/2 x plus 3/2 times 8 is, think of that 8 as an 8 over 1. 3 times 8 is 24, over 2 is 12. And now all I'll do is add add 5 to both sides. And I find that y equals -3/2 x plus 17. Alright, so if we want the final answer in slope-intercept form, take the point-slope form, distribute, and move the one term over to the right. Using point-slope form, find the equation of the line passing through the points 5, 6, and -15, -2. Put the final answer in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Alright, so to do this, we first need to figure out the slope. Alright, so 1, let's find the slope. Alright, so then using the slope formula, we would have m equals -2 minus 6 over -15 minus 5. And so let's see, that simplifies as -8 over -20, which is positive, right? Because a negative divided by a negative is positive. And let's see, 8 over 20, divide that by a factor of 4, gives us 2/5. So the slope is positive 2/5. Now second, I'm going to write a point-slope form. Now I'm actually going to do this twice, just to show that it works. Let's do it with the first point given, so 5, 6. So then I'd have y minus 6 equals 2/5 of x minus 5. Or, using the second point, I would have y minus -2 is equal to 2/5 of x minus -15. And now my third step will take it to slope-intercept form. Alright, so in the first case, y minus 6 is equal to 2/5 of x minus 5. Y minus 6 is equal to, using the distributive property on the right, 2/5 x minus 2. And then I would add 6 to both sides. And I find that y equals 2/5 x plus 4. Now, if we used the other point, well, the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of those minus negatives, and I would write y plus 2 is equal to 2/5 of x plus 15. Now, applying the distributive property, I'd have y plus 2 is equal to 2/5 x plus 2/5 of 15. 2 times 15 is 30, divided by 5 is 6. And then I would have to subtract 2 from both sides of the equation to isolate y. And amazingly enough, y equals 2/5 x plus 4. So what was the point here? As long as you find the slope correctly, it doesn't matter which of the points you use in the point-slope form. You get the same slope-intercept form in the end, no matter which point you use.